Welcome to my channel Students Guide by SZ. Today we will discuss Shabd and Pad from grammar, as grammar is the building block of any language. This is for grade 9 and 10. So let's seize the day. Shabd. Shabd means word. Here are some examples. Here you can see some pictures. Arm, then kalam, and the next word is ladka. All these words have some meanings. But if I write lakama, lakam, it has no meaning. So let's go into detail. शब्द की परिभाषा. एक से अधिक वर्णों के मेल से बने सार्थक वर्ण समूह शब्द कहलाते हैं. Which means definition of words. एक से अधिक, more than one. वर्णों के मेल means combination of sound or letters. सार्थक वर्ण समूह means combination but it has to be meaningful. शब्द कहलाते हैं are called words. If you see in other word, दूसरे शब्दों में कहा जाता है कि one शब्द वर्णों के मेल से बनते हैं. It's a combination of sound or letters. शब्द सार्थक वर्ण समूह होते हैं means the combination has to be meaningful. शब्द स्वतंत्र रूप से प्रयुक्त होते हैं. The word is independent. वर्णों को वही समूह शब्द कहलाता है जिसका प्रयोग स्वतंत्र रूप से होता है. The combination of letters are called words which have meaning as well as they are independent. जब आप एक से अधिक वर्णों को मिलाकर कोई शब्द बनाते हैं तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि शब्द कहा जाए. Means it is not necessary that all the combination of sound or the words are called words. Okay. So let's see this. Kalam means pen. So it is a word. Kamal, lotus. So it is a word. Lamak, it does not have meaning. So it's not a word. Lakam. So it does not have meaning. So it's not a word. Pad. Here are some examples. लड़का आम खा रहा है. First I showed you the words लड़का and आम. Now I have used this word in a sentence. लड़का आम खा रहा है. So this is pad. When the words are used in the sentence, it's known as pad. तालाब में कमल है. This is pad. So the words used in a sentence are known as pad. पद की परिभाषा means definition of पद. जब कोई शब्द स्वतंत्र ना रहकर व्याकरण के नियमों में बंध जाता है, when the words it's not independent and it is bound to the rules and regulation of language or grammar, तब वो शब्द पद कहलाता है. Then the word is called पद. इस प्रकार वाक्यों में प्रयुक्त शब्द ही पद है. Means the word which is used in the sentence is known as pad. In Hindi, it will go according to karak. It will change according to numbers. It will change according to gender. It will change according to the tense. So this is the pad. शब्द व पद में अंतर means the difference between word and पद. शब्द वर्णों की स्वतंत्र एवं सार्थक इकाई है. Words are independent and meaningful unit of language. पद वाक्यों में प्रयुक्त शब्द है. When the words are used in sentence, it is known as पद. Second point, शब्द का मात्र अर्थ परिचय होता है. मीन्स फॉर वर्ड्स मीनिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. पद का व्याकरणिक परिचय होता है. पद इज बाउंड टू द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ ग्रामर. शब्द का लिंग, वचन, कारक तथा क्रिया से कोई संबंध नहीं होता. Words are nothing to do, means they have no relationship between gender, numbers, case and tense of the sentence. Just opposite to this, पद का लिंग, वचन, कारक तथा क्रिया से संबंध होता है. Means they have relationship. Pad have relationship with the ling, that is gender, vachan, numbers, karak, case and kriya, that is tense. शब्द का प्रयोग कोश में किया जाता है. Means words are independent, so they are used in dictionary. Just opposite to this, पद का प्रयोग कोश में नहीं किया जाता. Means pad are not used in dictionary. From this topic, you will get questions. Number 1, शब्द, शब्द की परिभाषा और उदाहरण. That mean definition of शब्द and example of शब्द. Number 2, you will get पद की परिभाषा और उदाहरण. That mean you have to write definition of pad with example. Next you will get question शब्द व पद में. This video was helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon for my new update. Take care. Bye.